April 25th, this is vlog number 28. Can you believe it? 28 vlogs. Tons has changed, so I'm gonna go over all that with you right now. Ooh, something's going on over here. These are the rest of the lifts that they're going to be putting in on that last little part of the shop that still isn't done yet. I don't know if you can see, but they added the final row of racks here and right here. So all the racks are in. I'm not sure when they're gonna pour the concrete for this last area, but I think it should probably be soon. They've got all the walls framed off here for the men's bathroom, the women's bathroom, the technician lounge. There's another room that I have absolutely no idea what it is. This is a hallway. All right, I'm gonna take you into the men's bathroom right now. They started framing off the service advisor area right here. This is where all the desks for the service advisors are gonna go. So when you pull into the service drive and you get your vehicle written up and your repair order written up, this is where you're gonna be right here. The rack that I was always on was like right here. I'm gonna try and find one of the old vlogs and cut to it really quick so you can see what all of this used to look like, and then I'll cut to this scene again, and I'll go back and forth so you can see what it used to look like and what it looks like now. So, here's where my old rack used to be. Then they'll be getting rid of all the old racks, my old rack, all the old racks, my old rack, all the old racks, my old rack, all the old racks. Isn't that wild? They've got the wall all framed off for the entrance to the new customer lounge. I believe those are the doors that will take you into the new customer lounge. These right here are the brackets for our new alignment check machines. All the cars that come through our service department, we're going to be able to check your alignment really quick right when you pull into the service drive and let you know if your alignment is out of spec and if you need an alignment or not. So that's pretty cool.